Corporate philanthropy. Corporate philanthropy involves the act of donating to a charity or a foundation whose mission is to fight a cause and deliver social impact. The donation can consist of monetary help as well as in-kind contribution. The term philanthropy comes from ancient Greece and literally means love for the humankind. Philanthropy എന്ന വാക്ക് ഗ്രീസ് ആൻഡ് ലിറ്ററലി മീനിങ്ങിൽ നിന്ന് വന്നാണ് ലവ് ഫോർ ദ ഹ്യൂമൻ കൈൻഡ്, മനുഷ്യത്വത്തെ സ്നേഹിക്കണം എന്നാണ് അതിൻ്റെ അർത്ഥം. Those has the primary goal of showcasing the donor's good heart and sensitiveness. ഇതിൻ്റെ ഉദ്ദേശം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഡോണേഴ്സിൻ്റെ നല്ല ഹൃദയം കാണാനും അവരുടെ കരുതൽ മനസ്സിലാക്കുവാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ്. While philanthropy can employ different techniques, one way most companies donate to charity in those matching gift programs. The latter consist of acknowledging how much the employees are donating. Take Apple for the instance. Since Tim Cook became CEO, the corporation gained donated more than 15 million to the charity and non-profits. Corporate philanthropy as an activity that has have a positive impact on the organization's brand image. Also, it can be a powerful point of depreciation. Big and successful companies need to truly believe in the case they are supporting. They must show the interest and raise in the voice. Moreover, stakeholders are interested to see how they are integrate donations and grants with their overall business model. Philanthropy nowadays is not pure charity anymore. It needs to showcase the company's own identity and mission in order for it to be effective and praised. The example for the corporate philanthropy is one of the best is the Apple's. The company has given $78 million to the charities through matching gifts and volunteer employees program. Per year, each employee gives $10,000 of charities. This is improving efficiently the Apple's brand image. And another definition for corporate philanthropy is corporate philanthropy is the act of corporation or business promoting the welfare of others, generally through charitable donation of fund or times. What are the benefits of corporate philanthropy? Corporate philanthropy helps support communities where companies are based. It supports corporate giving programs which essentially lead to free money of non-profits. How can corporate philanthropy help non-profits? Corporate philanthropy helps non-profits through various methods of support such as corporate matching gift programs and volunteer grants. How can corporate philanthropy helps in business? Corporate philanthropy generates business values. When businesses participate in corporate philanthropy, they are creating a positive public image of themselves, enhancing their relationship with the customers and creating a positive work environment. There are some companies which are examples of corporate philanthropy. The companies are Google, Walmart, Apple, Microsoft, Bank of America. Social philanthropy helps to the cause, social environment and financial status of the nation. The corporate philanthropy can help to make better living conditions or give better educations, health service or saving the environment. By doing this, the customers will increase their belief in their company, and the company will have a good relationship with the society. Corporate philanthropy provides money, capabilities, and partnership to the charitable cause in the way that sharpens their own competitive edge. They generate social and economic benefits far exceeding those provided by individuals, foundations, or governments. The 64% of the consumers are extremely likely to buy from a company that takes a stand on social issues. This is the reason why which the corporate philanthropy is promoting by the every companies. To have a better idea of what corporate philanthropy look like, corporate give programs made by other companies are the best starting point. Philanthropy addresses the contribution of an individual or group to other organization that is in the term work to improve the quality of life of a citizen or residents. The business benefits of corporate philanthropy are improved brand awareness and reputation, attract top talent, to increase the sales, and for the tax deduction. Corporate philanthropy helps to enhance their relationship with the customer and create a positive work environment. They are creating a positive public image of themselves and their companies. The corporate philanthropy is mostly often seen in the form of financial contribution, but it can be also include time and resources. The concept behind the philanthropy involves making an effort to drive social changes. On the corporate level, philanthropy is practiced in many different ways. Many corporations simply donate money to causes that they are intended to bring social changes. The corporate philanthropy helps the company to increase their business, and the corporate philanthropy helps to increase the business value and the brand.